The high-low lever in the 2007 to 2013 Subaru Impreza III refers to the seat heater control, not the transmission range selector. This section clarifies its function and usage. Heated seats were optional on some WRX, STI, and sedan trims. There is no high-low lever for the transmission range selector. The high-low lever is a two-position rocker switch that controls the intensity of the heated seats. Usually black plastic with red or amber indicators, located on the center console or door panel. The high-low lever has three positions: off for no heat, low for gentle warming, and AI for rapid, intense heat. Some models from 2011 and later STI versions include a timer that automatically shuts off to prevent overheating. These switches and wiring diagrams show how the lever connects to the heating system, controlling power flow for each position. The high-low lever switch connects to the car's electrical system, drawing power from the battery through a 15-amp fuse in the underdash panel. When activated, the switch energizes resistive heating coils made of nickel-chromium alloy, woven into the seat fabric for even heat distribution through convection and conduction. Sensors, if present, integrate with the climate control module to prevent overheating, keeping temperatures below 40 to 50 degrees Celsius for safety. First, turn the ignition on. The engine should be running or in accessories mode to power the seat heater system. Second, locate the high-low switch. It can be found on the center console near the shifter or on the door panel. Third, select the desired heat level. Push the lever toward low for gentle heat or HI for intense heat. Fourth, monitor the indicator light and heat level. The light will illuminate when active, and heat will build in 2 to 5 minutes. Fifth, turn off the seat heater when done. Return the lever to the off position. Avoid prolonged use on HI to conserve battery power. Important safety notes for using the high-low lever. Do not use on damaged seats or with seat covers that block ventilation, as this can cause uneven heating or fire risks. The system is analog and shares power with other accessories, so heavy use can drain the battery while idling. Common issues with the high-low lever include switch wear, where the rocker mechanism becomes less responsive over time due to repeated use. Corrosion affects wiring harnesses, particularly in humid climates, leading to poor electrical connections and intermittent operation. Element burnout occurs when the heating coils in the seat fail due to overuse or age, causing the seat to stop heating altogether. For maintenance, perform regular cleaning of the switch and surrounding areas to remove dust and prevent buildup. Weatherproof switch upgrades can improve longevity by protecting against moisture and wear. A failing high-low switch is often the first sign of trouble in high-mileage Imprezas, indicating broader electrical issues. Inspect wiring harnesses for corrosion as advised by Subaru Service Bulletin SB 2024-01 to prevent future problems. The high-low lever represents a legacy design from the Subaru Impreza III era. These mechanical rocker switches were simple and effective for their time. Newer vehicles have evolved to use more advanced heating technology. Graphene-infused pads heat faster and use less energy, while systems integrate with modern climate controls and smartphone apps. Despite this, the Impreza's heating system is still reliable and appreciated by enthusiasts for its straightforward simplicity. Parts are currently available, but rising environmental regulations around recycling heating elements may lead to higher repair costs in the future.